I want to welcome you to come on in and join me. You know, MTV Cribs. Let's. Oh, you want to see my house? Okay, come on, y'all. Let me show y'all. It's like, nah, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and joining me. I know that I don't talk much, so what I want to have a discussion where if you could leave like a comment below and let me know, you know, some type of question that you may have, whether it's, you know, how I got my business started or how I started my cosmetic line, which are actually good topics. I probably should cover those. But if you have any questions in regard to the video, even, be sure to subscribe, comment below. I'm more than welcome to answer any questions that you may have. I will do so below, or, you know, feel free to contact me. Say I am repping my brands. Okay, we are in my makeup room. You guys may notice it as looking completely different. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by showing you guys my shelves, and I got all of this stuff completed within 3 days. So between putting my bookshelves together, stocking up the shelves, reorganizing this whole room, like this whole room looks completely different from the last video that I recorded for you guys. So, and by the way, I got my bangles from Tweet Star. She's my cousin. Yes, guys, and here's her business card. She's pretty dope. I'll tag her below. That's her face though. Like a 3D something, but here we go. Okay, here we have this is my Women Involved book. So I actually got this from the Sarah Jakes Roberts. I went to go and see her sermon. Believe it or not, I was in like the 10th row. I couldn't miss that one. But here's her like agenda, and yeah, it has like a little journal in it. I took a picture with her as well, so I will be sure to add that in the video, because I'm telling y'all, I was so geeked. I was like, and listen guys, I didn't even tell you, I gave her my lashes. I gave her a box of my lashes when I went to go and visit her, so we'll get into that as well. Okay, so here in this little picture thing right here, I didn't put a picture in there yet, but obviously this will be the picture of me and Sarah Jakes. I feel like in the mornings and at nights, anytime I feel like I need like further direction within my journey, Sarah Jakes, you know, Michael Todd, TD Jakes, you know, sermons such as those names, they do kind of help me, you know, keep it pushing. So I would like to put the picture of me and her in here, because that'll kind of just be like my inspirational area. Okay, so, and then I have a mirror obviously reflecting for myself. So there, here's a little bit of inspiration that I have. So it says, get it girl, get it girl, get it girl. So I'm not, but here's this that I have in here. And then obviously I have one of my glitters. I think I just lost a cap or something, who knows how that happened. So when you know what I'm saying? So like now, just bing, ding, ding. Go ahead and screenshot that right there. Boom. So my Instagram is @_LadyRow, booklrc.com. Obviously that will be my YouTube as well. Hey girls. And then, so here's just like a little, I have on some of my lashes as well. These ones that I have on are Rocher, but these ones are diamond. I don't know if you guys can see that. Of my LRC Glam palette. So this palette can be found online as well. Just to get you a mug and it's on there. You just tap it, boom. Organization options. I like to put all my business cards in here. So if I ever need to refer someone, let's say, you know, someone wants their phone fixed. We have someone who needs, you know, phone fixed. We have, I mean, there's just multiple business cards in here and it's easy for me to locate, you know. So this is somewhere where I keep my business cards, mine especially. So don't feel bad if you've seen your business card in here. Mine is in here as well. Trash bin with the little wheels. It's so cute, guys. I freaking love it. Like if I play Barbie dolls still, this will be on point. It's still on there, you know what I mean? So couple colors there. Inside of my drawers, I do have like some extra stock stuff. It doesn't look like it's too much of stuff in here, but for these ones I do have like the little mouth mask one here, the disposable mask, like how they do at the nail place. So you know, if I'm standing over anybody's head or face, I don't gotta worry about, you know, them being sick, me being sick, them breathing on me, and etc. This was obviously pushed in, but so these ones in this drawer I have, oh, these are nice. I didn't even know these were in here. Cool. So in this drawer I have like my skin sheets from classes that I've done. So like you can't really see the brows, but these are some of the brows that my models did with the concealer and the drawing process. Homecoming flyers that I did. This was like my first flyers that I've ever made. You know, then I got more flyers in here, different front, same back. I have some more books underneath here. This is just a notebook. I really like this one too. Y'all know I told y'all I like books, so this one is just more business cards being in here. So just to like kind of show you what's in there. A bunch of business cards. I actually have like some extra like boxes in here. So what I do is for like my 2 lipstick bundles or anything that I don't mind giving away, I actually put it in this drawer. So like if I decide to give away like a candle, or if I decide to give away some CoverGirl lip liner, or if I decide to give away some CoverGirl bronzer, you know, this is my drawer of giveaways. So anything that, you know, people come over and say, oh bro, give me some makeup, you know, that's the kind of giveaway drawer. It's like a little bit more of the flyers. The flyers aren't pretty much going anywhere. I don't have this set up exactly how I want to, but I'm just showing you guys the process of how it is right now. And then for this row right here, so this drawer is actually like my back to Mac stuff. So all of my stuff that I've used as far as like, you know, having clients, setting sprays, things like that, I've placed them all back in here so that way I could, you know, take them back to MAC and be able to get free lipsticks from my clients. Not to give to my clients, but free lipsticks to use on my clients. This drawer right here just has some extra mirrors, so anytime I'm doing 101s, classes, you know, things like that, we have some extra hand mirrors in here that you are able to use to see yourself. From this drawer, I just got some extra palettes in there of my brand. these drawers, I actually do have shopping bags in here. So anytime that I'm actually shipping out a package, a palette, eyelashes, lipsticks, things like that, they go into this bag right here. And then this bag just, obviously I go ahead and I ship that bag out. For this side, this just has some extra boxes that